Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to another Brynhyfryd Connected Assembly. And I'm not sure if you can hear me because it's really noisy here right now, because boys and girls are back to school in the foundation phase. Today we've got a very, very short and very, very quick assembly for you, where we're going to tell you our stars of the week and some of the birthdays that have been happening. So stay tuned. We used to start our times by singing something. Can you remember what was it? Give you another clue. It started like this. Can you remember? That's it. It was our school prayer. Now then, we'll sing it together, but if you don't remember, or you want to spend this time doing some mindfulness, remembering happy times with friends in school, you can do that, whichever you choose to do. Let's help ourselves to get calmer and concentrate by putting our dwylo gyda'i gilydd a llygaid ar gau, putting our hands together and closing our eyes. Thank you, Jesus, holy friend, for the love, care, peace and joy you send. Help us learn to love and live in truth in Brynhyfryd Primary School. Yes, the adglwydd clywed, diolch am ffrindiau am Brynhyfryd. Help ni ymopeth ni'n wneud, bob dydd a phob eiliad. Amen. Well, I'm here at the entrance of our west site because I asked some of the children, where should I film the birthday messages? And they said, we love coming to school, so film the main entrance where we come in. So some of the boys come in here, and some of the girls come in here, and this is where we're telling you about the birthdays today. So I can tell you that in reception, Mrs. Bynan Hadley's class, Isaac has had his birthday this week. In Year 1 Mrs. Barnes' class, it's a happy birthday to Gulistan, Oscar and Marcy. In Year 3 Mrs. Murray's class, it's a huge happy birthday to Jack, Ella and Macy. And in Year 4 Mrs. Thomas Davis' class, Alfie has had his birthday. And last but not least, a huge Penroyd happy birthday in our nursery AM to Tiana and Lewis. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear friends, happy birthday to you. Penroyd hapus i ti, Penroyd hapus i ti, Penroyd hapus i'r ffrindiau, Penroyd hapus i ti. Oh, well, there's nobody around, so I can take my mask off for a moment. Okay, stars of the week, Sabenna Oethnos. Nursery AM, we have got Alfie for fantastic answers about how to grow our magic beans. Oh, I wonder what they will be growing. Nursery PM, well done, huge well done to Theo R, because there's more than one Theo, for brilliant number formation using our new chalk area, and it's very smart as well, I like it a lot. Reception Mrs. Bynan's class, Tobias E, for remembering all our carpet rules and sitting so beautifully. Reception, Miss Jamal's class, Emily B, for giving great answers during discussions about empathy. Year 1 Miss Barnes' class, Millie H, for having the peg moved up to purple already, and it was only by Wednesday. Fantastic contributions to discussions and lovely work all week. Year 1 Miss Griffiths, Miss O'Connor's class, Finley S, because there's more than one Finley in this class, for working hard on his phonics this week and sounding and blending to spell without needing to use a sound mat. Wow, that's a big progress step, that is. Year 2 Miss Colasanto's class, Indy Rose, for her commitment to her home learning and for being so happy on her return to school. That's lovely news. Year 2 Miss Jones' class, Gracie T, for settling in so well to the new routines of the school day. A big, big well done to you, Gracie. Year 3 Miss Fitzgerald's class, Kayan, for writing an excellent space-themed story. Oh, I'm going to ask Miss about that, I want to hear it. Year 3 Miss Murray's class, Ryan R, for his wonderful enthusiasm towards his learning and fantastic maths. Year 4 Miss Thomas Davis's class, Sophia T, for creating a fantastic visitor's leaflet on Mumbles Pier. It was so informative, bright and colourful, it really made us want to go there. Year 4 Mrs. Jones' class, Sophia, for teaching herself a new skill. Sophia has worked hard to learn balloon modelling. Fantastic. Oh, boys and girls, stay there one moment. I've just got a couple more names to read. Stay socially distant. Year 5, Miss Hayes' class, Jacob. Throughout his home learning, Jacob has worked really hard to complete as many activities as he can with enthusiasm and perseverance. Year 5, Mrs. Evans' class, Molly, for always going that step further to enhance her home learning activities. Year 6, Miss Higgs' class, Kevin D, for his dedication and motivation in all his home learning. Your work is always an amazing standard, Kevin. And Year 6, Mrs. Jones' class, Rylan, consistently putting 100% effort into all of his tasks and producing work to be extremely proud of. Well done, everybody. I'm going to put my mask on because here come the boys and girls again.
Well, I hope that assembly wasn't too quick for you, but I did warn you it was going to be quick. And we've had 2 this week, so that is a double portion of assemblies and celebrations. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you next week for a connected assembly, and keep your eyes watching our school website to see any other news or activities that could be there just for you.